Alright, so our question's asking if a snow belt melts so that its surface area decreases but at a rate of 1 centimeter squared per minute, find the rate at which the diameter decreases when the diameter is 10 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to draw a pretty terrible snowball here, probably. Radius. Okay, yeah, pretty bad. Anyway, what it gives us is ds dt. It tells us that's going to equal negative 1 centimeter squared per minute. Remember, it's negative because it says surface area is decreasing. And dd dt is what we're solving for, because it tells us to find the rate at which the diameter decreases. So that's unknown, and it tells us here the diameter is 10 centimeters. So we'll go here, and the formula for surface area is going to be S equals 4 pi r squared. Now we can make this a little simpler, so we can say because it's asking for the radius, so we can say diameter is going to equal 2r, so r is going to equal d over 2. So if you say this, 4 pi d over 2 squared, that's going to give you d squared on top and then 4 on bottom, and if you multiply that out, it'll cancel out with this 4 here at front, that one. So we'll go down, and that'll give us S will equal pi d squared. So this equals pi d squared. So now we'll implicitly, that's not what I meant to do. We'll now implicitly differentiate. So this will just give us ds dt on this side, and that'll equal 2 pi d dd dt. So now we're solving for dd dt, so we're going to divide over the 2 pi d. So dd dt is going to equal ds dt all over 2 pi d. So now, while we've got it right here, we'll solve for our units. So ds dt is in the unit centimeters squared per minute, and this is just in centimeters, like it says d. So cm, so the centimeters are one of the centimeters are gonna cancel out, so that'll just leave us with centimeters per minute. So now let's plug in everything else. dd dt is gonna equal negative 1 over 2 pi times 10. So that's pretty easy, negative 1 over 20 pi. So our answer, write it over here because I'm out of space, will be, so dd dt is going to equal negative 1 over 20 pi centimeters per minute.